How to preserve candied jalapeños. This recipe helps you to make a large batch of candied jalapeños and then tells you how to preserve them. Ingredients: 1 gallon, 3.8 L, sliced jalapeños. 4 pounds of sugar. Canning jars. Steps: 1. Drain the jalapeños. 2. Pour 4 pounds of sugar over the peppers and let them sit to make their own juice. 3. Put in saucepan and bring to a boil. 4. Cook until peppers take on a candied look. 5. Pour into the jars and turn them upside down to seal. 6. Wait 2 weeks before serving. Tips: try a variety of ways to serve them. Pour some over room temperature cream cheese. Use as a spread or with dip for wafers or chips. Serve on a hamburger.